Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Civilian Trainer. My name is Professor Sibir. Today we are starting another lecture of Autodesk Civil 3D. So in this lecture we will study about calculate complete quantity of open channel item. Last time we studied about quantity for roads, and in this lecture we will study about open channel quantity. So first of all our subtopic is draw open channel section, then adjustment of bands, adjustment of section views, and compute cut fill material. Compute open channel material like lining material. Basically today we make a lining material open channel, so we study about this one. And quantity table for open channel, cut fill in open channel item. Okay, you can also see the preview. Here we draw one section, and you can also see the quantity. This is same like earthwork. And you can also see here this lining material. Basically this is the lining material. We also calculate this material in this lecture. So I hope this lecture will help you in field to calculate quantity like open channel and some other item that will be related to open channel. Okay, because here we just use the lining material. You can also use pipe and some other material. You can also check from the list. So let's start. So you can see here our computer screen. So in this lecture we will discuss all its other quantity. You can see here cross sections with full detail. So now first of all we need to assign cut fill quantity. After that it's lining material. Okay, so you can see here section. After that compute material like same truck and calculator sign. Okay, just click here. First of all we need to assign quantity. Okay, so alignment and select sample line group. Okay, so you can see here cut and fill. We need to select here earthwork. After that assign here material. Existing ground mean NGL surface from contour. Next will be corridor for open channel. Okay, you can see earthwork. Okay, so you can see our quantity will be assigned here cut and fill. So you can see here all quantity cut and fill will be assigned here. It's basically one open channel, and you can see here also filling center. After that you can see this side, it's you can see drainage. Okay, you can see all quantity is assigned here. See this one, it's all cut. So now first of all we need to find out the quantity of this in table. So for that, see this one, add table. Okay, total volume and material volume. First of all we need to total volume. For that cut fill. Okay, material 1, and here we need to select here 30. After that you can see our list. So this is our material for open channel total cut fill volume. Okay, see this one. Now we need to assign its other quantity like its material. You can see here I want to just off from here the material so that you can easily see the other material like select section. After that section, see this one earthwork. I just want to hide this one from here. Apply, then okay, then okay. See this one. Here you can also see here this portion. First I want to assign material so that you can easily see. After that we need to find this quantity. So for that select here. First of all see this one section. Okay, compute material same. Okay, but now we need to add new materials. For that add new material, click here and see this one. Now last time we select surface, now we select corridor. Okay, so you can see here the material corridor for open channel lining material. Okay, lining material. We need to add this material. So first of all we select here lining material. Okay, so you can see here cut. We select here structure because this is called structure. Next will be earthwork. Here select this one. After that add this one material here. Select this one, only one material. If we add some other drainage like here some other material pipeline, so this also must become here. Okay, so we select only one. After that you can see basic. I want to adjust its shape like I just select here blast. Okay, just as a random material. Okay, so that's we just need to add here material. You can see this one, this is same like concrete. Okay, see this one. So we need to now make its material quantity. So you can see here this is our material. So now we need to make its table. See this one, add table. Now see this one, material volume. Okay, area and volume. See this one lining material. I said last time. Here we need to make 30, and after that see this one. So this is the material table for its lining. See this one. Here after that you need to select here its name. Okay, so for that click here, right click, edit table style, double click here. After that select this one in material, and you can see yellow. Okay, apply then okay. You can see here lining material name came here. You also need to take one table for them. So for that first of all I make 4 tables step by step. Section views. Okay, so I want to make here change volume table, select this one. See this one. Now we need to add material. Okay, see this one material. Okay, I don't want to make any gap between them, so for that vertical. Okay, material will be earthwork and down material will be over this quantity. Okay, so apply then okay, apply then okay. You can see our other material. So is a very big table, so for that we need to adjust its size. So for that click here, right click, edit table style, (1.75) and 1.75. Okay, let's see this one, double click here, and here material lining material, we select the name here, lining material. Okay, MA here material. Okay, so select all this one and set the color here yellow. Okay, okay, apply then okay. So select here and right click, edit table style, just double click here and select all this one, and you can see here select here yellow. Okay, okay, apply then okay. So you can see here all type of material is ready here. I just want to click here so that our all layout will be adjusted and all will be managed in sequence. So you can see our final print. This is our quantity with section and cut fill quantity otherwise, and if you want to print, so you can also use this one. Okay, see this one, if you want to print this quantity you can take this print. So inshallah in the next lecture will create its print in some specific layout. Okay, so you can see here our full quantity of open channel. I hope this lecture will be very helpful for you. If you have any question related to this topic, so please comment me in comments box. Inshallah try my best to give you some suitable answer. If you are new, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.